Hello, math champions. In this video, we're going to learn about another construction called angle bisector. Again, what is the meaning of bisector? Bi means two. Sect means parts. Two equal parts. We have to cut or divide angle into two equal parts. How we are going to do? And for that, we have taken an example of bisecting an angle ABC, okay, ABC, which is of 60 degree, and we are going to bisect it. First, let's draw the angle 60 degree. For that, we will need a line, first of all. Let's have a line here, and the line can be of any centimeter, okay, because it's the angle, right? It's the angle that is important. So any centimeter, okay, it need not be exact, anything specific. Okay, once we've got that, how do we draw an angle? If you have watched my other videos, you will know how to draw an angle. However, you're going to see a quick recap here. Yeah, as I know, the vertex is BC. Vertex is B. So I'm going to write a B here and C here, and no specification of centimeter. Okay. I'm keeping the center of the protractor at B. And now I need to count, 60 from the 0 here. Okay. 60 from the 0 here, and I find that is to be here. Okay. And I find it to be here. Okay. So let me take a scale and draw the, okay, 1 second. Okay, actually, this is the thing. Okay, and I will remove this marking here. So this is our 60 degree. So I will write this as A, and I write this as 60 degree. All of these things I will do. Now, how can I do the angle bisector, right? Angle bisector. What do I do for that is I take this compass, I take the compass and I minimize it very much, okay? I take it as less as possible, okay? As less as possible. And I keep the needle end on the vertex. And then I am going to draw the arcs now. One arc cutting this one arm, okay? One arc cutting the one arm. Another arc cutting another arm, basically. Okay, I have done that much. Now, if you see, I'm not changing the distance between the needle and the pencil. I'm not doing that at all. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to come to the cut place where I have cut the line, arm, BC. I'm going to keep the needle there, and I'm going to draw another arc inside the angle, like this. Okay. And I'm going to keep the needle at the other arm's arc, like cutting point, okay? Cutting point. And now I'm going to draw another arc here, which will cut my previous arc inside the angle. Now, because I've done this, now I just have to join the vertex, okay? Join the vertex. Let me take a different color. Okay. So I join the vertex B and the intersecting, the two arcs that have cut each other inside the angle. I'm going to connect that. This is going to give me the angle bisector. That means if I name this as D, I can say BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC. And how is that? Can we prove that? Let's see. Let's measure and see whether 60 degree, half of 60 degrees, 30 degrees, isn't it? Let's see whether we have got the CD at 30 degree. Okay. See here. We have got from BC, if we go till here, this is a 30 degree, correct? This is a 30 degree. Look at this. This is a 30 degree. And let's see whether the same thing is for the other angle. Okay, we'll keep the thing here and we'll measure from BD. And if you see, and that is also at 30 degree, right? little bit because of my construction on the online platform. So if you see here, yeah, now it's correctly properly sitting there. And now that is also 30 degree, isn't it? So we have drawn the angle bisector of angle ABC, which is 60 degree. We have made it into 60, 30 and 30. Okay. Go ahead, match champions, take different angles and practice this bisecting, how to do this angle bisector. I see the next video with yet more interesting concepts of mathematics. Until then, see you. Bye-bye.